Hello everyone, in this video you will get to know about the best bank PO coaching in Lucknow. Coaching is one of the most important aspects when it comes to any competitive exam. You need to manage time. Time plays an important role in making you successful. If you are far enough in whatever question you do, that is going to make a lot of difference. So this is only achieved when you write exams thoroughly. So these coaching institute provide you with a lot of test series. As you can see, these are the top bank PO coaching in Lucknow. So we'll discuss about it one by one. First rank for the best bank PO coaching in Lucknow goes to Plutus Academy. Plutus Academy Best Bank PO Coaching Institute Lucknow has experienced teacher, practice halls, computer labs, many programs that are very useful to students who will undergo coaching at Plutus Academy Top Bank PO Coaching Center in Lucknow. They will surely crack the exams by studying in this institute. For more information, you can check out their website and contact them easily for fee structure and their faculty for about their faculty also. Second rank for the best bank PO coaching Lucknow goes to the Hindu Zone. The Hindu Zone ranks second on our list of the best bank PO coaching in Lucknow. The Hindu Zone provides exposure to current scenarios that help the student prepare their self mentally for the upcoming bank PO exam, providing them with the knowledge of the most recent events by discussing completed exam papers and tough model that appeared in the most recent exam. The Hindu Zone Best Bank PO Coaching Center in Lucknow the staff is very cooperative in every aspect. For more information, you can check out their website and contact them easily. Third rank for the best bank PO coaching Lucknow goes to Success Ladder. Success Ladder ranks third on our list of the best bank PO coaching in Lucknow. At a reasonable rate, Success Ladder Best Bank PO Coaching Center in Lucknow provide the best facilities any student can dream of, such as 24 hours lab. They have also 24 hours library, daily Hindi newspaper, study material, computer labs, online coaching, everything. For more information, you can check out their website and also contact them easily, as you can see on the screen. Fourth rank for the best bank PO coaching in Lucknow goes to Career Power. Career Power ranks fourth on our list of the best bank PO coaching in Lucknow. Career Power is an excellent coaching center with the best faculty and good infrastructure for all competitive exams, including bank PO exam preparation. The unique way is used in Career Power Top Bank PO Coaching Center in Lucknow to encourage students like Battle of the Brain. Every month creates great Every month they creates great confidence in students in Career Power Top Bank PO Coaching in Lucknow. It will be the best option to choose Career Power Best Bank PO Coaching Lucknow to achieve your goals in such a short and smooth way. As you can see here, the features of Career Power Best Bank PO Coaching in Lucknow. For more information, you can check out their website and also contact them easily. Fifth rank for the best bank PO coaching in Lucknow goes to Gotham Competition Academy. Gotham Competition ranks fifth on our list of the best bank PO coaching in Lucknow. The management here, Gotham Competition Best Bank PO Coaching Institute in Lucknow, is wonderful. They always have a better alternative. They recruit any faculty they first discuss with students and then recruit them. Gotham Competition gave much priority to the student for bank PO preparation. They give a Hindu newspaper daily which helps students in bank PO exam preparation. For more information, you can check out their website and also contact them easily, as their coaching rating is 4.8 out of 5 star, which is very good. So these are the top 5 coaching institute of Lucknow for this exam preparation. I hope now you will get an idea about the best bank PO coaching in Lucknow. So keep learning and thanks for watching.